ngasi ahum suba session gi koi writer women literature gi field yamna prominent oi ba space laitri Manipur da na te whole society da ko women gi space women writers singi masing se yam tang na lai Manipur da su aduga sigi support system hai adagi publication house na chingba yamna sidaista book koi literature gi literary gi field sidaista yamna prominent oiba visible oiba yam hen laitri amani ke crew khadi thole ado hena sumaina writer upcoming budding writers ma'am adagi established oraba writers sing sida kamaina akoi makoi gi hadi makoina lauram doriba role asi achauba writers sing sina sep society ma sep to wada achauba thodang amani kamaina yingi makoina history akoi hojeki present reality sing se archive kamaina toram doino makoi gi position kaino writer amoina kai gi damakta sigi as a writer mana sigi profession writer oire ise kai gi no aduga makoina irami ba lyric sing karamba ithil dagi e gi bano haibana chingba sing ado koi writer sing sidagi koi taminasi ahan bada Natali dai dum haujarge ko Natali gi oiba wafam gra share tawbiyo.
Hello. I know. Ahan ba magtada nga si tinbiriba mayambo kok no na khurumjari. I want to thank Team HY News for organizing this and inviting me to be a part of it. Nahan bijugo office ta unabada ibani wari chanabada aina hairame. Sumaini initiative ama lauraga koi pullaga discussion tawo phangwase sigi chance am pibase yam nungayana. To be frank, I am not very used to public speaking. So my stage the phammaga mayam crowd ton chalaga wari chana basu ai kya haide hainade, but I decided to come out of my comfort zone and participate because the theme that I will be talking about is very close to my heart. Ai evolution oina de ai sigi matang de engang zararoi. Instead, I want to focus on how anger or the anger of women is expressed in the poetry that contemporary women writers are writing in English. Anger, wrath, fury. High emotion singase. Nupiga dum associate to mayam so thenabiramani. Literature do oigera, cinema do oigera. Akoigi thoicha hare cinema do da. Don't thoi na lower character thoicha se. Mangunda mana hiningai da ot kibane giba mayam do mana shireba matung do thawai no olaga la aga mana torment to bage example am so ubiramani. It is an example of a woman acting out her rage. But let us go beyond fiction and bring the discussion a little closer to our reality. In our case, the anger of women is something that we see in all its vehemence in our revolutions. Tomorrow, we mark the 82nd Upilal Day. We also remember the 12 Manipuri mothers who protested against the rape and murder of Thangjam Manorama by the Indian Army. The active participation of our girls and our women in this form of activism is well documented. Our militant anger is upheld as exemplary. But there is also a kind of anger that is a little more personal, an anger that has nothing to do about sacrificing ourselves for a bigger cause. An anger of complaint. Taptana magi ahamba album Power of Attraction Volume 1 di isai masai. Sau lau nupi ko runu miwa tabani. Inna laitabani. Ke nangangi ke ngangangi suning de sau lawi. Ai masi rap tong na thi ba ngami se. Angang ngai ngai dai phagi we sigi sai se. Ahan gai na nungai taw ina isu raga ma da dum tagi ba adum sakhi ba. School da mok sakani imanabi singong sakminagani yam nokning basu oigi ba ado asagi isholang binupi hariba idea se. There is this idea of isholang binupi whose anger is more a cause of annoyance, whose anger has no real impact, whose anger defies the definition of womanhood in our context. Sawa habasida su sida sawa gana rasiyaw ba asida sawa gana ariyang da isang lang bataba. Women would have a sigi matang sida dichotomy amag marakta chapagum taweba. On the one hand, we are expected to be malleable, soft-spoken. On the other, we are expected to be powerful and rich. Rich have power have sayam yaw in as utop darkar oiba. Lili ko ringa tap na chat darkar oiba. This absence of in-between is in itself problematic. But what is more disturbing is the fact that our rage is also subject to do's and don'ts, just as our choice of clothing. Sawa habisigi matang sida hayo haragadi nupi ai lising sige writing se paragadi asawa se aduki matik thingnaganiba. I see it in my own writings. I see it in the poetry of Linthoi Ningthaujam, Haripriya Soibam, Chauba Purit Sabam, Yumi Vashum. I see it in Sushma's poetry. I know again a co speaker or a Linthoi Magi Brokta so a yengibane. Masu Tamtinas Howard. This expression of anger it's not new. It's not because of Me Too campaign. It's not because of Western feminism. It is not because of K-pop flash mob. It is not brought on by Generation Z. And it is definitely not because of Nicki Minaj. Akhoi gi mamangda iraga leiramba oza ahibi mayamdasu nupi gi asawa se sigi matangda dum iramme. Matang asida oza laren lakam iben hamda iba kongoi hariba sarenga dum tang pathok chage. I original paning bane ado matam jana thi banang hodre duna translation in pathok chage. It is done by Thingnam Anjulika Samong. The title Kongoi has been translated as The News. To my mother, by my grandmother. To my grandmother, by my great-grandmother. To my great-grandmother, by my great-great-grandmother. She too, by the one who birthed her, one after another. Through the buried many centuries, entrusted this huigang, this dog leash, like a newlywed's necklace on my neck. Calmly garlanding, my dear mother said, "This is your adornment." But I disliked it. I could never agree to it because I saw, through the foreseeable misinterpretation of the significance of this ornament, how you all, to those many, named them as you wished and dragged them in whichever directions you choose, like a loyal dog, or like obedient bullocks yoked to a cart. Therefore, I have cut off thus today that which you all have forcibly made into a murderous robe, this noose around my neck. Sari ngasi 2002 da phong bani magi original se. 2002 da ai class 10 ka da ngairi, completely clueless about where I stood as a girl and as a future woman, at home and in the world at large. Did I have anger in me? Yes. Did I know why I was angry? No. And it would be years later when I would learn how to explore my own anger. An adult man flashed penis at me. Aina khale. Itomba dun kauthok sana bo hotna grage kaigi noida wari jai kanada hodok to no khangdeba. Thabal jo wa chapa matam da khut se paige hai aina yade. Aigi khut se mulle sumdat lama ga chakre nu paduna. Aina khut se itomba noira ga khanga ga le hoeba na bado. Nongana pa matam da di aina imana be da dum wari hoi kai hoi phagi hoi li gre kaigi noida thabal jo ba gi chatna bi da si yawam ga ni ne khalleba. These are incidents of shame and fear to be borne by the victims. This indicates that it is how we were raised and taught to believe. We had to be pure by any means, and this burden of purity made it difficult for us to talk about it. It even made it impossible for us to realize that what had happened was wrong. Yumi Vashum writes in her poem, Breaking the Shame. Did they know? Did they not know? Was it shame? Was it disgust? I buried myself in a field of cosmos, playing with it as I plucked off the petals, chanting, did they know? Did they not know? Hidden behind a piece of cloth, they talk about it in hushed tones. Why would mothers not talk about vagina? Don't they know it's as important as my limbs? Why will they not tell me to scream and sprint if someone tries to put their hands in my underwear? Why? Why indeed? These are conversations that make us uncomfortable. We all seem a bit obsessed with the female body and who has the right to possess it. But we women cannot talk about our own body's processes openly. We cannot talk about our own desires explicitly. We cannot talk about the violations we suffer because in the end, we might be condemned and blamed for that same violation, even though the fault is not ours. When one of your earliest memories is watching a husband chase his wife with an axe, a knife, and no one tells him that it is wrong for him to do so. When you as an adult listen to gossip about promiscuous women and people say, Mawa na laksan ba wat pagini, mawa gi lichay wat pagini, you are made to believe that it is in your nature as a woman to tolerate the beating of your men. When you are told that the phaneg you wear is dirtier, more unholy than the undergarment of men. See, ikui kudunga so ay isagi yung the talk about debate niko. When you are told to dry your petticoats and your bras in the shade, out of sight, you are told that you must control and restrict yourself, that you must become almost invisible. The onus is on us to march ahead with the flags of tradition without looking back in anger. In between lockdowns, Linthoy Ningthausen writes about her experience with motherhood in postpartum. Outside this waxen window, the hunched sky bears an orange. Speak about anything, anything you want, and I stand mute. How do I write being cut open, the paralyzing knowledge of slow slicing of skin in layers of flesh? The stitch has closed me up steadily. I am no longer the lunacy of knowing poetry or the hibiscus song of prophetic mornings. I am an off-world of engorged breasts and bleeding rectum. I do not have a name, only hallucinations. Sharpness of a newly bought knife, tenderness of your child's throat. Together, shudder, punch yourself in the eye, tear out your hair, shudder, and still imagine. If I ask my mother, she says, she remembers only the bald patch on my head and the scent of baby soap. Is a woman allowed to be angry about motherhood? Nupine imungi matanga thabak tawda khoi complain tawse thabak tawda waina cd phazade na ai mi mayam ga phazai phazade ha matang de mayam ga de marai yatna khre. But what about motherhood? In this motherland, on this mother earth, where the figure of the mother is sacred, where the women's market is called Imakaitel, is it all right for a woman who has just become a new mother to talk about all the conflicting emotions that she's feeling? Or is this yet another case of a woman failing to fill in the shoes of our foremothers? Ako'y su tawa ini, nako'y su tawa ng haram ganib. But so much has changed now. I mean, our family culture and setup have changed. Our roles and responsibilities have changed. Our goals and needs have changed. We are asked to give a lot more, and thus we want a little bit more for ourselves, even if it is just a right to be angry about something as glorified as the trials of motherhood. The expression of this rage has become an act of defiance only for the reason that we are expected to not harbor grievances about this image that has been prescribed for us. This defiance is captured vividly in Sushma's poem, The Photographer Called Patriarchy. I am Muktang Pathok Charake. Turn to the side, you say. With your hands, pose with your hands on your waist, straight back, breast out, look sexy. The flesh bulging on the neck can't be straightened. That's habit right there, manifested, hardened, can't pretend cover. Always bending, always stopping, always below him and hers in power. Fire in her head, eyes clearly showing the fire, not hidden, nose ready for smoke to blow through it, mouth on the brink of opening to say it all, to say it all, to scream. And you tell her to smile. No, she won't. No, in a Kekru session, I read out my own poem of anger. Mi Yamana Hange. Why do women write so much feminist poetry? I give a sigumba question. It's because the definition of womanhood has been limited for a very long time. Not that women do not have varied experiences, we do. It's just that we are expected to not react to certain things. But reaction is the very foundation of writing. Every piece of writing born on paper is a reaction to something. Doesn't always have to be about anger. No. We also write about love and desire. And Yisagi Ahamba Pongiv anthology says it's a collection of love poems. The poets whose works I've read out have also written on various themes. Sushma, for instance, has written on the pandemic in Infinite Days to Come. Linthoy Ningthausen writes about memories of living in a conflict area. Yuimi Vashun writes about love and heartbreak in Love, Lust, and Loyalty. Tattooed with Taboos features women, poetry about feminine sexual desire. We feel and write about the whole gamut of human emotions. Perhaps our writing is the fiercest when we write about our womanhood because it is the reality that we live with day in, day out. All the pains, all the fears, all the do's and don'ts, all the attempts to silence our voice of complaint. In her poem, 3 questions, Sobham Haripriya asks, why did you give me this irreparable world to inherit? Tainted with stains of history, the world is lost to my kind. Your gallant invoking of mere 2 battles fought by women amuses me to no end. For you know not, I live and die fighting innumerable ones every day. And so we write this poetry of anger. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Natalie. Tongan women writer, makoy expression plap Manipur gi writer atopa singi siring su yauna Natalie na express adugi whole interpretation ama mana share torami magi oiba in the Infinite Days to Come gini ko susmagi atopa sing aduga anger oina express tawagi kay gidamakta asida anger the resort as a last resort nupi sing na saurak pagi adugumba form of expression sing duni ko hoji express tawrami ba mayam aduga sigi maru oiba kay gidamakta sauba haibase hekta maram leitana maram haidi maram saubagi right pok leiramdaba society akoi nupi gi space da adum normalize oiramaba mayam maraktagi saurakpa haibase gi reality da saura sigi expressions se sigi importance adu uba phangba adumaina asi amna asida naina ningai asigi acceptance leiba leitaba natraga su express tawagi maru oibadu di yamna lei sise hena express tawa mathau tai habado ai gi site so ye eton tawjage ani subagi oina khoi hojik writer hom sida Susma Gurumayum gi oiba magi oiba mafam kranga si thambina ba ningsingjari.
Hello. Yeah, I hope I'm audible. Yeah, I want to continue a little bit on Netlina who's a high keyboard on anger because ngasigi sessions my most favorite speaker was Monica Wahengbam, Girl Up ki representative in Lakpado, because she showed anger, and there I saw a writer. Monica na who's sida la agayam sao keyboard written format that don't put hopiya and then I'm sure Monica can write a whole book on that because like adu minder sune ko akoy na iba horise. And now I want to go a little bit towards my journey of reading and writing. Reading, obviously, I think every writer starts as a reader. I think akhoi gi school gi course books ko English books adigi Manipuri books aduda neba literature introduced tawrise aduga poetry sem pamjare aduga I remember the first poem which hit me okay class 3-4 oiramgani Robert Louis Stevenson na iba saireng ama from a railway carriage anaka mi myamsu pabiramani ko adu the last line do sumaina haiba it's a glimpse and gone forever no itabam po eba ingonda like gone forever ka hadi something ending adu gi tap tam pokhibada adu adumai sum akhoi di pi ngai da exam poetry parak ba haisa ko exam gi oina pare ko like we learn the poems and we write it in our answer scripts adu class 9-10 gumba karak matam dadi e karak pa yaureba because we were not represented I say represent our udeva women were written in a very objectified way you know adugi where is my place in this kind khalakpado aduga class 9 oiramgani there was a poem called If I think everyone many people knows If by Rudyard Kipling saying du yam phazeba ko adu saying hai say you know anything which happens to you it should not destroy you adum nangna pungchai chai rasu haugat padum ngamni haibagi kaino neba just never but it ended like this you know then you would be a man my son I was very angry aina ko English ki teacher da hai ma'am yaning de kai yaning do no si mapa man macham de you know izabani adugi format de yenga da bani hai nangna pami se kaino what do you want it to be written as then you would be a woman my daughter I was like, no, why can't it be, then you'd be a person, my child. I used to include Taurani, then I got to that. And then my teacher told me, but then this is a poem written by a father for a son. And I'm like, so why are parents not writing for daughters like that? Like rebelness, and that's also anger, no? That's also anger, which Natalie just spoke about. Adagi akhoi maitelon gi sairing so maitelon gi sairing su sounding be am yaugi ba pingai da na class 9-10 karak matam da I don't remember the author and I don't remember the title of the poem because it's not about it. You know, it's not about belittling the author. It's not about belittling what they wrote because most culture am the izar inebakha. The writing women like that was in the culture. Hujike sairing, maitailon gi sairing sidana sinupase he wants enlightenment. Enlightenment to phangna bo na bada wine and women thadok to neba. Nupi ga you ga thadok to neba. They're mentioning Nupi and you in the same format as though like we are distractions. What about us? What about us, you know? I don't think there are women writers who write men like that, no? You ga nupa ga thadoge. Adum ba kaise thengna rakte dana ko. Adugi adumaina some sounding adi pi ingai ri ai gi kaino se English course books ki site marginalia oina I started writing small poetries. I didn't collect it. My poetry collection started, I think, back in 2010. Magazines kumba sum phong ba harp matam da sum hau khibane na khalle. Yeah, and then lyric phong gi haina khan gi bisu 2020 gi COVID matam da like I was jobless. Kai su taw ningai leite adu dai sum khallaga oi gi su collection taraga phong ba yae na khallaga 80 poems mu collect taw khibane and I started sending it to a lot of publishers. National and state adu nungai tabam na khoi state ki di publication house yam laite we have one Kekru poetry publication adu su yam small base oika and I wanted something with an ISBN so 10 to 12 publishers thabada 4 gumbana accept or adu I chose Pentrill is a publication based in Nagaland. It's run by a woman publisher, a woman poet herself. Adudagi, this book came into being, and then we are talking about anger here, and I want to say that I give poetry books at 2 parts to oika. 2 parts. So, first part is sub part to. Aduda heading amayawe that's called the F word. You know, F means feminism. F I'm sounding it. We don't know what it means. Like someone thinks something else of it, and there's some other meaning. Aduga F word and aduga F word. Sidagi, I want to read out a poem. I say poems hana panin na lakpanate, but after listening to Monica Wahengbam na high kick or that dressed yam na focused away. No? I mean, if you're wearing this thing, then you are not this, you know. If you're wearing that, then you're this. Adugi, aduda I give a poem. So I want to read this out. The poem is called Your Culture on My Knees. Sometime back in 2020, politician namana high kibneba. Politician say he was in a flight and then he was sitting with a woman NGO owner. Aduga women do jin sigaiba setpa. Mana high aduga jin sigaiba setpa bu culture jin sigaiba salary mama phabasu oiroi. And my high it's very funny and it angered me, you know. So the anger which Natalie was talking about, the anger which Monica Wahengbam expressed, and the anger which many, you know, speakers today expressed. Adumba anger, this is a poem which came out because of that anger. So it goes like this. It's very uncomfortable. It's very uncomfortable. Your culture on my knees. Started wearing ripped jeans in my teens. Grandma stitched it up once when I put it up for drying. She didn't know it was style. I had to reopen the tear. Mother told me they aren't pretty, made me look wild and disobedient. I told her it was cool and reminded her that father used to wear them in his younger days. Mother told me that was because he was poor. He had only one pair of jeans, regular use, and hence the tear. I wouldn't listen to her. I still wore my ripped jeans, which I ripped in and around the knees with scissors and blade. Some friends would joke, "Don't forget to apply lotion on your knees." My right knee would always be well moisturized. A few years later, Mother got me a pair of brand new ripped jeans. The kinds which came pre-ripped and hence cooler, prettier. It was a birthday gift. Recently, some men of some position said, it seems, that ripped jeans wearing women are uncultured, that they're setting a bad example for their kids, for the Indian society. Oh, I didn't know that your culture rested on my knees. On the one hand, humans are contemplating colonies on Mars. On the other hand, this. Why so much emphasis on clothes, on body parts, so much comparison of clothes and character, so much shaming and belittling of women in the name of culture? Why? Why so much nonsense? I will wear ripped jeans and clothes that show my knees and more or not. My daughters will too, and so will my sons. Or not, they will do as they please. One question I want answered is, Mr. High Position and men and women supporting his idiocy, how ripped is your brain? And did some parts fall off? Yeah. So that is the poem which resulted out of anger. And there are many more poems which resulted out of anger in this book and in Natalie's book. And yeah, sidelining from anger, I also want to say that we don't find much Manipuri women writing erotic love poems. I don't know why is that, and I'm very glad that Natalie Ningthau Khongjam is one of the beginners of it, because we have feelings, we feel all those things, and we need to write that. And yeah, she's one of those writers who write that, and it's good that the culture of erotic poetry by women is also starting. Yeah, so that was my journey of reading and writing poetry. And one thing I want to focus is on the, you know, the need for us to write a lot. As a student of history and as a teacher of history, we don't have a corpus of literature from which, you know, history can be, like the Manipur history can be reconstructed in like wholesomely, you know, especially because Manipur is a state with lots of communities, you know. Maitais are not the only ones. We have Tangkhuls, we have Rongmais, Longongs, etc. And most of these communities, their history is based on oral literature. And we don't have a lot of written materials on these communities, and we need to write it. So I think that is our responsibility. And in going towards that, we will find lacunae, in the sense that we won't find publishers, as I didn't find publishers when I was trying to get my book published. So publishers, Manipur se publishers like they except one or two, and K-Crew is one of them, and K-Crew se yam chawkhat haninge. aduga printing press su abhab laite akhoi printing press dei thorak books things the quality is not very good and we need to maintain quality in that also. So yeah, adu ki point yam thamjaninge. If anyone here is capable and good enough to come up with a publication house, we need a publication house in Manipur, not only for women writing, but you know, Manipuri writers in general. And lastly, before I hand over the mic to Biju, I want to say that let's make our literature inclusive. Aina piing aida if paraga I include tawrakte ko. I include tawrakte adu nungaite. So let's write inclusive literature, and I kag include tawraga inclusive oy banatte ko. Let's include Natalie, let's include Dr. Aram Noni, let's include Dr. Pavel Sagolsam. I mean, let's include everyone. And let's leave a corpus of literature like that which is inclusive. Having said that, over to Biju.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Susma. Anishuba Susma Guru Mayumna, Maruiba Hadi, the continuation, Amoina Natali, Nahaikiba, anger, form of expressions, Maruina Kamaina, writer singi, writer signal loriba, Moigi whole role and responsibility, Makuina Sep, Toram Doriba, Adukumba position, Amaloriba, Maruiba, author Ahumne. Kamaina iramge haibaduna tungi generation na mohoziki semu udoine the who boldly express aseng ba makoigi iramba adugumba writer ahumne na khanjai ngasi se phamisida not just something that mayana generally acceptable oiba glorify oiba notion da dum iba adugum writers mayam leitaba nate hena su hena pamna ba oikiba yai adu taraga so just beyond mayamna unadriba foreclosed reality ke ama just mayamna udriba reality kya thokpa akoigi adugumba iba writer ahum niena ujaina se phamiba sing adu mokoigi lyric sing se loinmak hana kanu ta padi padri adubo moina ngasi read out tawriba pathomiba sing sigi matungina ina ujabada ado ngasi yaraga di ngasai Natalina saireng atopa mayam su paki ado isage ba saireng su katang hazik form of expression the anger the natan desire and love and erotic adugum bagi su lairagadi pathokpi ba yaragadi adi linthoi da yaudringai dana hoi ahan ba adu ahum su basil linthoi chanu yamna yang yamna ha oriba hazik like ani ma su form kre ahum su ba ma su ma hazik yam thuna form bagi plan tauri do mangon da gemo ma ge ba opinion taminas
ahama makta da tinbiri ba ma pona mapu ikokno kurumjari aduga ngasi session sida akhoi iche Natalie adagi iche Susma makhoi ani na su yamarik chumna akhoi nupi gi women in writing hai ko akhoi ngasi session ja aduna women in writing gi matang da akhoi anger gi adagi yamna inclusive oiba team adagi form yamama akhoi nei nagre sida aina thodokpa henba karisu hapchaningai leite yamna khangjai jabasu na chade aduga writer amoina aduga women writing adagi concept of feminism aduga nupi amoina khoina samasa kamaina hinge habase yamna akhoi gi iche ani se ena yam su thagat ningba phawai pukningda habadi yamna makeup thokna khonjel hauna akhoi changchan birai aduga tumda su mayam ama torakini habagi asaujai aduga ai samakti ai adum nupi sina kamaina akhoi society sina ngasi petraki society ude na ngasai girl up ki representative na haigiba adu ai isamak neba ai isana ai je nupi oina ai je wari ne haba society da wai ne haba ji ngarang na handa khangda ngai ba nupi duna ai oi toine aduna ai as a writer ai job amoina ai gi aina pamjaba passion amoina ai writer di ai yam na how ina changchan jare ai hama book I was 22 when I published my first book. Ado matamda ay nupi na si sumaina ay jahandana ui adagi ay ngonda pain daba society sida pain daba ay kaimda late. Ado ay gi anger ay gi ngonda nungai taba asawba ay gi first book ta kasu uramgani haydi as a fantasy fiction adagi mythological realm da ay gi passion oina ay di jangsan jarapane. Ado society da hingabani na nongma to nongde miyoba habani na miyoba moibani na wakhan khali ba chak chari ba jibani na nongmadi makeup thokleba ado ai gi ju matam ama lakhiba ai je nupi ni na ai je wabam thoi habja ina accept taweba si nupi ngasi tiliba myam je aina ngasi tili mayam jidi hena thoido hendokna wakhan leiraba adagi akhoi bu sogat pini hana la ibanina ana akhoi wakhan chanaram bati yai adubu ngasi akhoi na asuk namna sauri ba asuk amna pin riba mayam se kari gi leina ha ta ai gumba mayam am leiram gi ni ba makeup thoki da ba ai je no pini na ai wabam tho e na dum khan gi ba aduga society na ai ngonda usilakta matam da o ai je no pini na usitrine yai ai khalle ai isa ma khalle ai ka shun da nuai ta ba tawde nupa na ha lambi da ai theng mara chap matam da ai yam saugalle aduga ai isa ge adu ai phatta bagi saugan bagi tawrine na khalle baina ai adu retaliate to ba ai na kano ga utuka pa chat pa khot pa to ba ai yam tawre adu ai do saugan bagi ai do ka hani warak pa khara wat bagi tawrine na khanjai ba ai ngoda nuai ta bagi retaliation ne do u da ba aduga adu maya tawre aduga labi da khang da ai ngoda lakna re ba ai ngoda nuai ta ba piri ba mi du sum me na khalle ai jina nu pini moi nu pani lakna ra ka do ba ne adu ai di mayang man da ba adu mai oi ba ni nan oi noi chat khi ba aduga adu matung da imanabi khoi college ta harassment to ge ngon harak matam da nang kai to roge ai isana hange bai nang kai to roge ngon da to rokte na si isa mak nai na hangi ba question de adu ai na makeup thola kan da ai na society da akhoi na lairi je nu pi je masi sauri moram se kari ginon isana saura kan da gyan ta jarak pa ne aduna si isana sau ba da isada theng pa victim oidrigai di makeup tho oidaba condition da sum tham tar ga de khoi se kyam koina war ki doino ha ba si simtang thamjage sidi aina writer ama oiba adugi captain da as a woman aduga writing da jo mu aina aije like te han da gi iraga dum lai to hoje mu ai isa gi like sa isana pa matam da nupi je thogla amne ba ai book se first book se tales of Kanglaitron kawe si puai da tawraga izagi balai ne yamna fictionalize tawraga izabani fictionalize taw matam sida nupi myam je yam chawna leram ne ba adu ai gyan taraga ai sumaina hapkin hapak panate ba ai gi voice to as a woman as a human being ona thola bane ba adu kanda human being am ona thola bane human do chap chana masai leijaram bane ba adu hajiki narrative se koina pugi beje patriarchal ideology da som pugi taraga di adu da gi mangi ba oina aina khanjai ba haidi why women become just names just randomly popping up here and there makoi gi figure makoi gi huge presence makoi na changami ba ai yamna aina ngasi gi session gi matang da aina akoi mythological book mayam ma nei na ge kai ai ja khalam me yam prepare ga store me but haidi ai ngasi gi session mayam se tar ga ai mind je pura blank chakre pura ai kai hai ga no ko agre ai hai ga do mayam du di aduga aina adu kitang ningsan jaraga numit ka pai ba khoi gi khwai da gi ari ba like sida numit ka pa gi ta hoyen ga kano ga numit ani khana ba da gi khwai nung jeng bam pi bana hat pa du gi matang sti yam sang na verses yam yaw gre ba but numit purai ba ngal hali ba ji di ima pan thoi bin jagoi sa kok thorak to ne ba las adu gi importance to how night and day was created to the yaw importance ka je ai isana pa kan ai nupini na idea do doin chingjal e aduna women writing je yam tina importance ne akhoi gi siki course da ko yam changjan ge hai tar ga aduna asai gi anger la iba ije natali ije susma wana marik sumna habi gi ba mayam du da ai dum thamoi jina yamna penja ba ya ja ba oina thoe aduna ai atai hen ba kem ta hapsan ja rege submission ja
Thank you, Lintoy. The session is going on. Writing say amna marui ba koi women need to write, women need to express. Hai baduni ko anga sigi ahum suba session jina marui ba message ama piri se. Ado a form of expression in any form. Winning ba mong ois no do women need to express, women need to write. Do hai jage ado ga yaraga di tatali na magi oi ba haziki anau ba Manipuri writer da aina adu ai su pangna thengna dri sharing kya pa ba da ko lairaga di magi oi ba writing ama tanga share to bina ba hai jare.
Yai, handak ikut dengai da ai iche loya malak sula eko. Ibani conversation mo wari thana give neba have the nupi na khoi gi erotic oiba love poetry e da basigi matang da especially akhoi ishage language da English da diam e re ishage language da e ri se kai gi no so wari sum tanara ma dui matang da aina saireng ama e banai adu ina pai thochage the language of desire. Yes, this frankness in the telling of how a night should be passed between limbs, back and forth, like the movement of a saw, grinding as the dust settles and rises, rises and settles. In a tongue that I don't use to say, I love you, in the cold light of the day. This tongue is not native. The first questions I asked as a child were not, what is your name? How do you do? These lines were only painted on the walls of the kitchen when I could talk ceaselessly and add my numbers. What is your name? How do you do? I desire as you do. I call upon words to write of this hunger for a desperate kiss, the autumnal warmth of a stolen embrace. The words that answer are never what we utter, Nangi, Aigi. Shall I dare unravel this womanhood to tell you, as frankly as I should, of the dreams that I dream in the tongue of our skin? Thank you.
Thank you so much. Aduga ngasigi author ahum gi lyrics sing je koi Ukyo bookstore da su hoji lyrics sing je pangbigani ngasi lawbining basing na author sing gi signature ga yauraga su lawbi ba yagani ko dum tangda haijage ngasi ahum sub session mayam writer ahum na thambi gi ba wafam yam thina anoba oiba perspective yam nungai ba ai gi oina yam nungai je writer ahum makpu ISY News ki site tagi hana thagachari. Thank you so much for sharing your piece of your nasagi oiba part ama share tauba. Writing is very personal thing. Isan express tauba duga hena makata na writing gi ani atopa career gi atopa already career just not just a writer established moi job government job tauraga su leiba admaina oi Natalie and Susma Gurumayum lecture ni ko Susma Gurumayum ado Natalie na government employee aduga Lintoy ma hazik ahum suba lyric ama hazik puthokpagi process ta leiri yam tuna matang ahen ba kaya ma iraga ano ba sing hena society da message kya piba ngamba adugumba yam successful oiba already oire hena oiba successful writer sing oibio na ko SY News ki site gi aduga personally haizeri writer ahum makbu do loisalak pasida akoi ISY News ki team sing ko khachari chamba khudol mamtang piminasi Romesh amasung Bhavan sub editor amasung senior reporter. Han ban Natalie ko senjer Susma Gurumayum, Dr. Susma Gurumayum. She is a PhD scholar also. Lintoy Chanu. Thank you so much. Thank you.